Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram story video not showing problem on Instagram. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your Instagram app. Click on Instagram video. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram story video not showing problem or Instagram story video not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.